Hello friends, so, is your check engine light on with code P0465? If your car is showing this code, you might experience fuel vapor leaks, rough idling, or even failed emissions tests. In this video, I'll explain what P0465 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. Alright, here's a handy tip for you. The Purge Flow Sensor is typically located near the intake manifold or throttle body. You might want to check your vehicle's service manual to find the exact placement. Now, let's dive into the common causes of the P0465 code. First up, a faulty Purge Flow Sensor. This little guy can send incorrect or no data at all to the ECU, causing issues. Next, we've got damaged or loose wiring. Corroded or disconnected wires can really mess with the signals. Then there's the faulty purge valve. If it's stuck open or closed, it might not operate correctly, leading to improper flow detection by the sensor. Another cause could be vacuum leaks in the EVAP system. Cracked hoses or loose connections can definitely trigger that pesky code. Lastly, though it's rare, an ECU malfunction could be the culprit, where it misreads the sensor data. So how do you go about fixing the P0465 code? Let's break it down step by step. First, use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0465 code. It's always good to be sure. Next, inspect the purge flow sensor and wiring. Keep an eye out for any damaged wires or loose connectors. Moving on to step 3, check the EVAP purge valve. You'll want to remove and test it to ensure it's functioning properly. Step 4 involves testing the purge flow sensor. Grab a multimeter and check the voltage and resistance. For step 5, inspect for vacuum leaks. Look for any cracked EVAP hoses or loose connections. If you find any faulty parts, like a bad sensor or purge valve, go ahead and replace them. Finally, step 7 is to clear the code and take the car for a test drive. Reset the ECU and see if the issue pops up again. The P0465 code is usually due to a faulty purge flow sensor wiring issues or vacuum leaks. Fixing it not only ensures better fuel efficiency but also reduces emissions, which is always a good thing. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0204, Injector Circuit Malfunction, Cylinder 4, and P0205, Injector Circuit Malfunction, Cylinder 5. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips. Keep those engines running smoothly.